Hello, this is Trisha Reinhardt over at the library again. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to save your specific results and the various things that you can do with those results. So here I am in Power Search, and I've done my social media, teenagers, and self-esteem search. Now, I've already shown you how to save individual articles here or save particular searches. Check out our other videos for that. But if you want to just save a series of results, let's say you're doing a really in-depth systematic review or something where you need to have a lot of results to sift through, you can go next to the results here. There's a tiny little arrow right there that you can click on. And now you can select the 10 results that show on this page. You can select the first 50 results within the total. Right now we're looking at almost 2,000 results here. So I can select the first 50, or I can export the results. It says up to 25,000, but I think our system only allows about 1,000 records. So let's say you want to just do the first 10. When you click on that, it selects the first 10 for you. And then you have these other tools and options that you can do. So you can download the selected records. So here it's just showing the first one, and then there's 9 more. And you can choose what file type you want to download it to. If you do CSV, it will download to a file type that is compatible with Excel. So you'd be able to keep your results in Excel. You can also do a PDF as well, and it will download the file to your computer. And what it looks like is like this. So it shows you the article titles that it's downloaded. And now here are the individual records and the metadata or the detailed information about the records. And it has all of the citation info, the abstract, and then it also has the link for you to get back to the article if you wanted to take another look at it. So when you click on the links from these downloaded records, you'll get this page, but all you have to do is click access through your institution, and it will take you through the Regis login and right to the article here. So now you can access the full text here. So something else, you can save it. So we went over how to create a EBSCO account in a previous video. I'm already signed into mine. Make sure you're signed in before you save anything, so you can save these first 10 articles here. You can add the articles to, let me select these again. Add these articles to a project if you have specific project folders. You can share through email. So if your professor has asked to see some of your results rather than sending them individually, you can select them multiples at a time and share those. And you can also cite them as well. If you happen to be using the first 10 results on the page, you can get full citations for those. But I think the most common use of this would be to save them within your EBSCO account, add them to a project, or to download them to some type of file in order to keep track of them. So those are just a few ways to be able to save multiple results at the same time to make it a little easier for keeping track of your search results that you got while you were searching. and be able to sift through them and just see what you have all together at once. Now, there's one last thing. So you can export results. It says again, it says up to 25,000. I believe our limit is about 1,000. So you can export many results. So again, if you're doing a in-depth systematic review and you need to look at the big picture and see all of the articles that you have within a results, you can export those multiple records. So you put in your email address here, and then you choose which file type. Now again, CSV will be for Excel. If you want to look at it in an Excel spreadsheet, it'll give you all the article information and a link to get back to the article if you need it. A RIS file here, RIS file, is for citation management tools. So if you're using RefWorks or Zotero or something like that, you can export these records as this special file that can then be imported into those citation management tools, and then you will have all of those records ready to cite, ready to go, and ready to organize if that's how you're using the tool to help organize your research. So I hope you found this helpful, but if you have any specific questions about how to save batch amounts of results, feel free to get in touch with us. Our email is reference@regiscollege.edu. And thank you for watching.